Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about filling and copying in collections. So fill a collection with a specific value using fill method and copy the contents of one collection into another using copy method. Using copy method. So let's see one code example for filling and copying of collections. So here I am going to create one array list. List interface list of I am creating list array list of integer data type. I am giving the list name as default. Okay. Now I am going to import. I am going to import the necessary interface and classes. Friends, we have facing error here for list name. Let's change that. I am taking list name as first. Okay. Now friends, let's add the elements in our first list using the collections.addAll method. Okay, so let's continue. Collections.addAll. Write the name of the list here as first and put here the elements. I am adding here 5 elements: 8, 9, 4, 52 and 3. Okay. So friends, we have created one array list with 5 elements. Okay. Now friends, let's create one more array list with name destination. Okay. So new array list. List name of the list I am taking as destination. Okay. So here we created one more array list with name destination. Now friends, let's initialize this destination array list with 5 zeros using collections.nCopies method. Okay. So write the collections.n, select the collections.nCopies method from the list, pass the parameter 5 element. We do have element size as 5 and elements are 0. Okay, save the code. Now friends, let's use collections.copy method to copy the elements of the first list to our destination list. Okay, so do write code for that. Collections.copy and just pass the list name here. Our first list name is first and our destination list name is destination. Okay, now friends, let's write code to get an output to the console. So our first list, this code will print our first list. So pass the message as first plus write the list name as first. Again, now we will have to print the destination list. So do write code for that. Pass the message as destination list and here first list destination list plus pass the name of the list as destination. Okay, let's save the code. Friends, I have made here one mistake. uh, First of all, we have to pass here the destination name and after that destination list name, and after that uh, we will have to pass the name of the first list. Okay, so let's do correct that. Destination, which is our name of the destination list, and later on we will have to pass the name of our first list, which is first. Okay, so friends, our code is ready now. Let's run our program to get the output to the console. So friends, you can see that we are able to copy our first uh, list of first element to our destination list. Okay friends, so friends, let's compare our code to real world example. Imagine friends, you are running a business and you have a list of customer IDs, original customer IDs, and you want to create backup of that list, which is here our backup list is destination, name of backup list is destination. Okay, for data recovery or analysis purposes. So friends, here first list contains the real customer IDs of your clients, which represent your business data. Okay, and the destination list start as an empty list, but it's initialized with zeros, indicating an empty backup. Okay, we have initialized this destination list with zero element for indicating an empty backup, and later on using the collections.copy method we create a copy of the customer IDs and store them in the destination list. Okay. So friends, this represents the creation of a backup for your customer data. Uh, In real world scenario, you might do this to ensure data integrity or to create a snapshot of your data for analysis or historical references. Okay friends, so I do hope that you understand about filling and copying the elements from one list to another to other list. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding.